One of the first things that I decided I wanted to do was tidy up all the wiring. As a lot of people would know that know the car, it's been through a lot of transformations. It was supercharged, it's been twin turboed, and just over the years I've added a lot of accessories and changed a lot of things. So the wiring, look, it's still in okay condition, but you know, as you can see, this is the engine loom. It's just pretty ratty, so if I'm going to put it back together again, I thought I'd like to replace all the split tubing and retape it, and you know, just any damaged wires or melted, anything that's melted or anything, I'll just tidy it up. And I've already done some of the car. You know, some of the things you might not know about this car, but when you look at it, you'll see that the VS normally has the fuse box on that driver's side inner guard. Well, one of the things I did in the early days was relocate that all into the cabin to try and clean up the engine bay, but also when I went to the twin turbo setup, clearly the exhaust was going to be right where the fuse box was. So that was something that I did, which was a massive job because I had to obviously redo all the wiring loom to enable that. I've relocated the ABS because I had pulled the ABS out at some stage, but me being an old fart these days, I want me ABS, I want my power steering, so we've now got electric power steering that we're going to put in the car, ABS which I'm going to relocate back to where I used to have it actually. So I've actually done all the wiring for there, but it's just, you know, part of the process is just tidying it up and making it more reliable, cleaner. I'm not trying to make it a full-on, you know, concourse top 60 show car. That's not what this is meant to be. It's just meant to be something that I can take to shows, cruise with the family, enjoy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.